Cuba, 1998. While old steam engines battle the grades, horse and cart handle the everyday and keep life moving below. The Boris Luis Santa Coloma mill was one of Cuba's most iconic standard gauge sugar mills. Once owned by the famous Hershey Chocolate Company, it sat dramatically on a saddle between two hills, approached by steep grades from both directions. In this scene, a loaded cane train climbs in from the more scenic eastern line, a welcome change from the island's typically flat cane fields. Palm trees and rolling hills frame the action, giving this stretch a unique character. At the head of the train is 80-year-old number 1918. Vulcan-built number 1806 digs in for the climb, throwing up a heavy drumstick plume of black oil smoke that further darkens the already overcast sky. And as it charges toward us, it briefly feels like we may not survive the oncoming head-on encounter.